Hello students, welcome to JCE Connect channel. Today we'll solve some numericals on R triggering and RC half wave triggering. Now we'll take the first numerical. Thyristor shown in the figure below. The thyristor shown in the figure below. The gate voltage required to trigger is 0.6 volt and corresponding gate current is 250 microamps. The diode is of silicon material. Input voltage is 100 sin omega t. Find the firing angle alpha at which the thyristor will turn on, where R minimum is given as 110 kilo ohm and R is given as 220 kilo ohm. R minimum is given 220 kilo ohm. Now we'll solve this problem. Now we have to find the firing angle alpha. Alpha is given by the formula. Actually V is equals to Vm sin alpha. So alpha is sine inverse of Vs by Vm. This is the formula where we need to find out here the alpha. Here the voltage is V, or I have taken here as Vs. So this becomes Vs. And Vs here will be finding now. Vs here will be finding now. To do that, we'll find first Vs. So if I apply here KVL, then Vs is given as, if I apply the KVL, this Vs to find, from here I will begin, which is given as plus Vs, and then the gate current, say IGT into R minimum, and then IGT into RB, and then cut-in voltage of the diode Vd, and then VGT, and then back to supply. This is the way how the current will flow. So Vs, if I'll begin from here, Vs, and then plus to minus this R minimum into, I'll take the current here as IGT, gate current, minus this RV into IG minimum, this path Vs, R minimum into the current, RG into current, and then diode will come. So minus cut-in voltage of the diode, and after that minus VGT will come, equal to 0. From here we'll find out Vs, or it is given as Vs minus R minimum is given here as, R minimum here is which is given as 10 kilo ohm, into IGT here is given as 250 micro, minus RV is given as 220 kilo ohm, into 220 kilo ohm into IGT is again 250 micro, minus VD is cut-in voltage of the diode, which is silicon, so 0.7, minus VGT. VGT is given in the numerical as 0.6. Here it is given, which is 0.6. If I substitute 0.6 equal to 0, then if I'll find this, Vs is 58.8 volts. Now we substitute for firing angle alpha, sine inverse of Vs we have got 58.8 divided by Vm. Vm from here is 100. So it is 100. So if you find the firing angle alpha, it is 36.01 degree. We'll go for the next numerical. It is similar. Now again this is again here this is a voltage, and here it is R minimum, and here it is given as R or RV. Both here RV means this is also RV, or it is R. Cut-in voltage of the diode is Vd, and say this is RB. Voltage here is it VGT. Read the question. The circuit of figure below uses on silicon. Ig minimum is 0.1 milliamps. Vg minimum is 0.5 volts. The diode is of silicon. The peak amplitude Vm is given as 24 volt, and then determine the triggering angle alpha. Again the alpha is being asked. So to find alpha, Vs is equals to Vm sin alpha or alpha is equals to sine inverse of Vs upon Vm. Now if I want to find now Vs, apply now KVL. If I apply KVL, Vs load current IGT into R minimum, IGT into R minus Vd minus Vgt equal to 0. So Vs minus R minimum into IGT minus R into IGT, and then diode will come minus Vt, and then Vgt equal to 0. I want to find Vs. So Vs minus R minimum is 10k into IGT is given in the question 0.1. Here it is 0.1 milliamps, 0.1 milli, minus R is given in the question as 100k into 0.1 milli. Point silicon material Vd is 0.7 minus, and then Vgt is Vg minimum, it is given here, so it is 0.5 equal to 0. So if you solve this Vs, you will get as, if you solve, you will get Vs as 12.2 volts. So alpha is sine inverse of Vs is 12.2 divided by V peak value, it is given as 24 volt in the question, so divided by 24, then we get firing angle alpha as 30.555 degree. This is the way how we solve the problems on R triggering. Next we'll take again on R triggering to find the firing angle. Now here again the circuit of figure below uses the SCR with IGT, VGT, silicon material, voltage is again 250, Vm is 250, determine the firing angle alpha. Same procedure, Vs is equals to Vm, first step is Vm sine alpha, or alpha is equals to sine inverse of Vs upon Vm. Vm is how much? Vm is given in the question 250, we are supposed to find Vs. So to find Vs, again apply KVL. From here, Vs minus R minimum into Ig minus R into R, or this is RV, this RV or it is R, they are equal, minus Vd minus Vgt equal to 0. So Vs minus R minimum into the gate current IGT minus RV or R into IGT, then diode will come minus Vd minus Vgt is equals to 0. So I am supposed to calculate Vs. R minimum is 5k, IGT is given in the question 0.8 milli, minus then R minimum is 5k and R is 50k into IGT is 0.8 milli minus 0.7 volt silicon, minus Vgt is given in the question as 0.8 volts, 0.8 equal to 0. From here if I simplify, I get Vs as for this problem I get Vs as, which is 105 kilo ohm. I get Vs 45.5 volts, 45.5 volt. Then alpha is sine inverse of Vs is 45.5 divided by Vm is 250. Then I get alpha as 10 degree, 10.48 degree. This is on R. Next numerical will take on RC firing. Design the suitable, this is now RC network, RC triggering network for alpha thyristerized operation on a 220 volt 50 Hz supplies. The specification on SCR is VGT minimum is 5 volt, IGT maximum is 30 milliamps. Now here for RC triggering, the first formula we have used here as RC is equals to, we are supposed to design means we are supposed to find this R and C. Here they have told design. In the previous three problems they said find the firing angle. RC designing means finding R and C. RC triggering, RC is given by the formula for half wave 1.3t divided by 2. This is the one formula we are supposed to use. And we are supposed to calculate here R and C. So R is given by the formula Vs minus Vgt minus Vd divided by Igt. How we use the same fashion actually, how we get this formula Vs minus this one R into the current minus Vd minus Vgt equal to 0. From this actually I'll write here the formula how I get for R. Actually Vs and then minus R into Igt minus Vd minus here the voltage at this point is Vgt minus Vgt equal to 0. This is actually KVL. From here if I find R, it is given as Vs minus Vgt minus Vd divided by Igt. This is the how we get this R formula. So R I want to calculate. So R is given as, Vs is given in the numerical as, it is 220 volt. It is 220 minus Vgt is given in the form numerical as 5 minus 0.7 divided by Igt is given as 30 milli, and then if I simplify I get R as 7.143 kilo ohm. And then design means finding R, finding C. Design means, so I'll use this formula to find C. RC is equals to 1.3T divided by 2. Actually here it is given as in the question frequency as 50 Hertz. So T is 1 upon F. Then C is given by the formula 1.3T divided by 2R, or 1.3 divided by 2R. This T if I'll take down, it is F. So C becomes 1.3 divided by 2 into R we have got as 7.143 kilo into F is 50. If you simplify, we get C value as 1.81 microfarad. This is what RC half wave triggering numericals. This is the one method to solve RC half wave triggering. Similar problem we'll take again on RC half wave triggering. Design. Again they said design. Design means what? Finding R, finding C. Design means design suitable RC half wave triggering for thyristerized network operation, where Vs is given as 230, frequency is 50 Hertz, the specification Ig and Vg is given, and here the formula is RC is 1.3T divided by 2. This is the formula where we are supposed to calculate R and C. And to find this R first, actually R formula is Vs minus Vgt minus Vd divided by Igt. From where we get this formula? If I apply KVL to this loop, what I get? Vs minus current, say this current is Igt, minus Igt into R minus Vd minus at this point voltage is Vgt equal to 0. If I find R from here, this is Vs minus Vgt minus Vd divided by Ig. KVL we apply in this loop and we get this formula. So now our R is, Vs is given as 230 volt, Vgt is given as 1 volt, Vd is 0.7, Ig is given as 40 milli. If I simplify, I get R here as 5.7 kilo ohm. I get R as 5.7 kilo ohm. And then to find C, I'll use this formula. RC is equals to 1.3T divided by 2, or C is equals to 1.3 by 2R into F. So 1.3 2R is 5.7K into frequency is 50 Hertz. If you simplify for this, I get 2.27 microfarad. Thank you.